How to change language in Casualties Unknown. So what you need to do is you need to open your game, then in the left down corner you will see this like translation thingy, translation repo. You press that and it will open this like scary GitHub page, but it's okay. So you go press readme, you search for your language, you press your language. So for example, let's go for Suomi. It will be like even scarier page, but it's okay. You need to press this like 3 dots. You press 3 dots, you download the file, you open the file, then you copy the file, then you go to your Steam, you press right mouse button on your game, you go to properties, installed file, browse, Casualties Unknown data, language, and paste. Okay, so you close this and you restart the game, and you will have like your language here. So you just press on it, and as you can see, our language is now on Suomi. Hamis. Yeah, very important note, because like the game is like still in development and changes recently. Like for example, I was trying to install the Japanese language, but it is like not working. It is not working at all. Like there's like no text. So you be careful, and you see here's like the 3 days ago, for example, it was like updated and stuff. So you want like the freshest one, because like for Japanese it was like last month. It's probably like too like long, and it's like not working at the moment. So yeah, that's basically it. Enjoy like the game in your language. Bye bye.